Hey guys, so I was having this problem with Cursor where I was not able to uh, basically make an MCP server work with environment variables. For example, the GitHub MCP server, or maybe any MCP server that actually needs any kind of environment variables, for example, for accessing databases or whatnot. So I made this GitHub token just for the sake of this video. I'm going to revoke it later. And this was the way that I tried to actually make it work by passing it before actually calling the npx command. And yeah, and this unfortunately did not work, so I worked on a little project that's called MCP runner. So in MCP runner, uh, basically it actually uses like an npm package, so you need to have npx installed, right? So it uses an npm package which creates like a bash file. It actually uses this bash file as an output to the MCP server, and this way you can pass like the variables inside the bash file, and you can now generate like a one-liner. You can generate one-liner that will work with Cursor immediately. So for our use case, let me actually get the command. So this is the command that we're running. This is exactly the name of the environment variables. You can add like how much environment variables that you want, or you can even insert like an object and it will insert multiple environment variables at the same time. But for our sake, we just need this one. And let me insert the token. Okay, so it generated the command. There is one for Windows or one for Linux. I'm using Mac right now, so this is the command for me. And now I can just insert it in Cursor. And it works as expected. Let me test it real quick. Search for MCP runner repo. Okay, so it's working as expected. It showed me the two repos and their URLs, so I can actually visit this one. So yeah, great. Now you're able to input your environment variables into Cursor using one-liner command. Thank you, that's it.